Hello my students, how are you? Good for today we'll solve from volume number 1, topic number 4, lesson 3. Estimate using rounding or compatible numbers. Like this. Here, 24 and 32 is 61. We asked about this question. Choose two factors from the numbers below to find product that is as close to 1600 as possible. Solve this problem using any strategy you can use in the example. In this lesson, you can use rounding or compatible numbers to estimate. You can also make math arguments. Okay, this work here, 24 nearest to 25. 32 nearest to 30, 61 nearest to 60, 78 nearest to 80. Then we can product by 25 by 60. We must put 0 here, and 26 times 25 equal 150. And 24 times 61 is close to 1600. Understood these tips? Again, product. We want to find product between two numbers, like 24 by 61. We know 24 is close to 25, as 61 nearest to 60. We can find the product. 24 times 61 is close to 1600. You can approximate each one to the nearest number here, or 0 or 5. Okay, it's the first strategy. Or another strategy, you can find the answer by it. You can choose two numbers like 24 product by 78, 24 nearest to 20. It's approximated to the distance, and 78 nearest to 80, approximated to the distance also. 20 times 80, we must put 0 and 2 times 8 is 16. This number here, 1600. Then the product between 24 and 78 is close to 1600. Now we want to explain about the last example here. Construct argument. Why do you choose the two factors that you did? How do you know your factors will give the closest number? We can approximate each one like this. Choose the factors that when rounded had a product close to 1600. I rounded each of the factors to the rest, and then multiply all possible pairs of factors to find which pair had a product close to 1600. Understood? We can approximate each one to the nearest teens. Okay, like this also you can choose a number as like this example, like this. You can choose like 32 and 78. If it's about this number, what about 32 product by 78? This number 32 is nearest to 30 and 78 nearest to 80. We can product two numbers. 30 times 80, we must try double 0, and 3 times 8 equal 24. Then the answer will be 2400. Okay, so 32 times 78 is close to 2400. Okay, you can approximate each number and find the product between together. Next page, look at here. Now he can find the product between 14 and 12. As this question about estimation, we have products about strategy like rounding front in the strategy, or approximating to the resistance is hundreds, 1000s, anything. Okay, when you use a method, you can use it. In this example, the workers picked 14 dozen apples like this at Miss Pepper's Grove and 12 dozen people at Mr. Stuart's apple grove. There are 12 apples in one dozen. About how many people or many apples did the people or the worker pick? We can write 14 plus 12 equal 26. We can eat together 14 plus 12. Okay. Now we can find the product between two numbers like this: 26 times 12, 26 nearest to 30, and 12 nearest to 10. Then the answer will be 300. Since the product between two numbers 26 and 12 is nearest to 300. We can use also compatible number to estimate 26 times 24. 26 nearest to 25, and 12 nearest to 10. Then the product will be 250. You can use two methods, rounding or compatible number. Compatible number, what's the meaning of compatible number? 26 lies between 25 and 30, and 26 nearest to 25. Okay, correct me about 26 times 12, this number here. He asked about rounding only one factor and multiply 26 by 10. You can find or not? Yes, it's easy method. You can round one number and the other ticket. You can write 26 product by 10. As you like, you can product 12. Here you can convert 12 approximately to the nearest teens, it will be 10, and also 26 nearest to 10 will be 30. Then the answer will be 300, or you can approximate each one of them product the other, like 12 approximating it to the nearest 10, it will be 10, product by 26 it will be 260. Yes, you can write this agree. If you multiples 26 times 10, the product is 260. So use estimate is between the estimation 250 and 300 determined previously. Okay. Next question. Look at this page. Do you understand the example in the previous page? How do you know all you need an estimate and not an exact answer? You can write here the problem asks from about how many. How many is really find the number between two number by product. For questions estimate which product, explain how you choose strategy. Use estimate the product. You can choose any two number product them like this. I choose you remember 32 product by what? Okay, it with me about last question number 326. This question you asked here. This example you want choose any two numbers product between them. This question like we must choose here like 24 product by 61. This number is nearest to 20 or 25. Okay, you can use in rounding or capsule numbers. Capsule number we can write 24 nearest to 25 and 61 nearest to 60, and then find product. Write 0 and 6 times 25. Okay, write 0 outside here, and 6 times 5 30, 0 and the carry of 3. 2 times 6 12 plus 3 equal 15. Then the result will be 1500. Okay, you can use also rounding to the number. Use this strategy or this strategy. So we have two strategies to find the answer of product numbers. Okay, look at with me about next page here. The example of the previous page. What is another way? You can find the answer another way. Explain how you find the estimation product. Okay, we can write also the number 25 times 12. We can write 12 equals 3 times 4, and 4 times 25 equal 100. Okay, I will explain the steps here. Look at here. We have 25 times 12. We can use commutative and associative properties. Right, 25 product by 12 equal 4 times 3, and then using commutative properties associative. 25 times 4 equal 100. 100 times 3 equal 300. We used here associative property to find the answer between two numbers by using product. Okay. Next question. You can find the answer here by any method as you like. We have 24 product by 18. We know 24 is nearest to 25, and 18 nearest to what? Nearest to 20. You can write 0 and 2 times 25 equal 50, then the answer will be 500. Or you can using round this strategy here by capsule numbers, or you can round this number 24 nearest to 20, and also 18 nearest to 20 by approximating to the nearest teens. We here using rounding and here capsule. The answer here will be 400 by first strategy, and second strategy if you rounding to numbers the result will be 400. Or if you used the example here capsule numbers product 24 nearest to 25 and 18 nearest to 20, then the sum product between them equal 500. Okay, you can find the answer by any strategy you like. Okay, like 33 product by 31. We can find the answer here by using rounding. 33 here is approximating to the nearest teens. The result will be 30 product by 31 nearest to 30. Then the product between them, right, 00 and 3 down 39. Then the answer will be 900. Then we have here 38 product by 22. This number is nearest to teens. It will be 40, and 22 nearest to 20. Then the product between them, right, 00 and 2 times 2 equal 2 times 4 equal 8. The answer will be 800. Okay, and also 45 times 48. We know 45, we can approximate this number to the nearest teens. Right here, 45 product by 48. This number we can approximate it to the nearest tenses. Here it will be 50. 48 nearest to tenses will be 50 also. Then the product between them we must put 00 here and times between them 5 times 5 25. Then the answer will be 2500. Next question. dependent brackets. This example, he want estimate each product. Estimate, okay. Rounding, why choose strategy to use. Estimate to product. Okay. We want to find the answer by using approximating or estimating or rounding to the nearest tens. Okay. 39 product by 19. 39 nearest to 40. And 19 it will be 20. Approximated to the nearest tens, because 19 lies between 10 and 20, it's nearest to 20, and 39 between 30 and 40, it's nearest to 40. 20 times 40, we must write double 0, and 2 times 4 equal 8, then the product between them equal 800. And then 28 reduct by 27. 28 approximated into the nearest tens, it will be 30. 27 approximated to the nearest tens, it will be 30. Then write double 0, and 3 times 3 equal 9, then the answer will be 900. Also, we have 64 product by 13. 64 nearest to tens 60, and here 10. Write double 0, and 1 times 6 equals 6, then the answer will be 600. Next question. 42 times 17. 42 nearest to 40, and 17 nearest to 20. The product between them, write double 0, and 2 times 4 equal 8, then the answer will be 800. Write 82 product by 36. 82 nearest to 80, 36 nearest to 40. Write double 0, and 4 times 8 equals 32, then the answer will be 3200. 54 times 18. This number nearest to 50, and 18 nearest to 20. Product between them, write double 0, and 2 times 5 equal 10, then the answer will be 10,000. 66 times 41. He wants the rounding here, responsible or not. 66 nearest to 20, and 41 nearest to 40. It will be 2800 nearest to 2706. So responsible nearest to. But in this example, 34 times 52. 34 nearest to 30, and 52 nearest to 50. Product between them equal 1500, and the actual number will be for 2288, the number not responsible. Okay, now we have more problems here. Look at with me about this example, about how many more Valinka oranges. Look at here about the table. We can solve the example here from this table down. Okay, ask about how many more Valinka oranges this. Where Valinka oranges? Okay, wait. Then number oranges have from the quiz or question 15 to 16 use as right. Okay. Give here Valinka orange trees, or Valinka here. It's 31 times 46. And also we have 38 product by 24, and then we can combine between them or find the difference between them. Okay, understood? Look at the table here. We can product 31 by 46. 31 by 46, and also product the temple. We have 38 product by 28. 31, it will be approximating to the nearest tens, it will be 30, and 46 approximating to the nearest tens, it will be 50. 6 can give 1 to 4, it will be 50. And here 38 nearest to 40, 28 nearest to 30, and the product between them, we must write double 0, and 3 times 5 15, and then write double 0, and 4 times 3 equal 12, 1200. Then we can find the difference between them. 1500 subtracted by 1200. The difference between them equal 300. Okay, next question. About how many orange trees does Miss or Mr. Guneza have? We can product all the numbers here. First question, 28 is to 30. Then look at here. This number we can write 28 product by 30. 28 nearest to 30. Write 30 product by 38 nearest to 40. Okay, and then find the answer. Write double 0, and 3 times 4 equal 12. And then we can also write this number here. 38 product by 28. 38 nearest to 40. Product by 28 nearest to 30. Write double 0, and 3 times 8 equal 12. And next question, 30 product by 46, 30 nearest to 30, 46 nearest to 50. Then the product between them, write W0 and 3 times 5 equal 15. And then we can add all the answers here, 8 together. The result will be what? With 0 we can add together, write W0 and 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 5 9. Then the answer will be 3900. Okay, next question. Right order thinking. How is using computer numbers to estimate the similar to using rounding? How is it different? Okay, we have different like this. We have about this question. I will give you the example to explain it. Okay, like this. What about 28? I will solve this example by two strategy about capture numbers and rounding. Okay, we have 28 product by 38. In this example, the caption number of this number is equality to the rounding. They are similar because 28 approximating to the nearest 10 will be 30. I use the caption number 28 lies between 25 and 30, nearest to 30. And 38 nearest to 40. Okay, and approximating to the nearest in the same answer here. But what's the difference? Like this. If we have 26 product by 36. This number nearest to 40 and this number also nearest to 30. Then, and also 26 nearest to 25 by using this method capture numbers, and 36 nearest to 35. But if you approximate this number, the result will be 30 product by 40. Then we have the difference between the answers about first and second. So you can write the simple answer both ways, give an approximate solution. Computable numbers and rounding are different. Why? Because one method will give an estimate that is closer to actual solution than the other measure or the other method. One of them is nearest to the exactly. In this example here, explain how you use the estimation to decide which has greater product, 39 times 21 or 32 times 32, which is greater. We can combine it by approximating like this. We have 39 times 21 and 32 product by 32. This number nearest to 40 and 21 nearest to 20 and 32 nearest to 30 and 32 nearest to 30. The product between them 900 and here 800. Then the answer 32 times 32 it's more, it's greater, okay, by using rounding. Okay, next question. Assessment practice here, 32 times 14, 32 nearest to 40 and 14 nearest to 10. And you can use also 32 product by 10. It's exact result, or the actual number will be 32 times 14, and the approximate you can put 32 and approximate 14, or the inverse, you can put 14 and approximating 32. You can write also here in this example 14 times 30. Okay, and this example also we have a lot of method to find the answer by approximating like this. 28 times 24, 28 needs to 30 and 24 needs to 25 using here capture numbers. And also we have 25 times 20 using capture method here, and here approximating this first to the nearest tens and here to the nearest actual, like you want computable numbers, because 28 nearest to 20 to 25 and 24 nearest to 20. Okay, you can use this method also by using approximating. Using capture maths number, 28 nearest to 30 and 24 nearest to 25. True. We have a lot of methods to find the answer.